Hello class and welcome to Module 6. This assignment is a team-based assignment on best practices. This is going to be a team-based assignment where what I'm requesting you to do is to use the template that we're providing, and I need you to look at everything from a project and a process effectiveness and efficiency perspective. We're going to break things down in the Word template into different columns, and you'll see within those columns, the 3 different columns, there's a variety of questions that are provided for you to fill out. It gives you an opportunity to actually provide me and the ECS company feedback on exactly what happened from week 1 in the project all the way through closing the project. It gives you the opportunity to review or do a diagnostic on your project in what I'll call a very easy perspective from a process standpoint. So let's go ahead and just get things in here for you to where you can see what's going on. Let me zoom in a little bit higher. There you can see it. So the project information, as always, is necessary to be filled out. And then remember, best practices are going to be looking at things from a process perspective. So we'll break the project down into process steps, and then we're doing a diagnostic on each one of those process steps from an effectiveness and efficiency standpoint. From my representation as the PMO all the way down into your team's ability to complete the assignments, to get things completed. So you'll see that there's a series of questions for you over on the right hand side. We expect a series of responses from you on the left hand side, so you would fill in the answers to these questions there. Now, one of the things I want to make sure you understand is that as we're going through this, they're going to capture all the process steps that you encountered all the way through the process, all the way through your project. So make sure you completely read all of these questions and provide us that feedback. Now, also, the team leader needs to make sure they break this assignment down and have multiple people help you with it. Okay, this shouldn't be completed by just one person. There should be multiple people that are helping you complete this. And the reason I say that is it's a very overwhelming document. It's not that long, but it's overwhelming, and it's going to take information from everybody to make sure that you clearly understand everything that was required. Now, the document itself is worth 45 points. So you'll see in the grading rubric, each of the sections is worth 5 points all the way down. So make sure you and your team leader get all of the information completed in here. Make sure the team leader uploads it. And once again, best practices are different than lessons learned. Lessons learned are your reflections on, realistically what happened to you from a project execution perspective. This is asking from a best practices perspective. We have a set of practices in place that we're following. We're trying to identify if any of those from a process perspective need to be modified. How effective or efficient were they for you? So that's your assignment for best practices for Module 6. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.